Hello, Simon Wong here, a product manager for Maros and Taro. In this video, I'll show you how to use the super handy equipment catalog to create models faster and more efficiently than ever before. Now, the equipment catalog serves as a convenient repository for items utilized in the model construction. It's designed to store commonly used equipment items or even the entire systems, right? And this helps to streamline the modeling process. Now, in this video, I'll cover two essential steps. Now, the first step is to set up a new catalog. And to do that, you would need to click on the first icon, which is creating a new catalog. And in this demo, I will name it as demo catalog. So when you click it, an empty demo catalog folder has now been created. And now what I need to do is to fill up the catalog with commonly used nodes, equipments, folders, for example. Yeah. So I will first copy the well node. And what I need to do is just drag and drop it into this folder. So all the items that are part of this well node are now part of the catalog, right? And the next example I would use is to copy a fire water system, right? Within this fire water system, I have a configuration, a 3x50 configuration. And within the blocks, I have pumps, I have the models, and within these pumps and models, there are failure modes. So all of this will be part of the equipment catalog, right? So what I need to do is to copy, to drop it, and there we go. And the last demonstration is to drag and drop an individual equipment item. So I would use a first stage separator as an example. So there you go, right? So I've created a demo catalog, which I deemed catalog of items that I would commonly use it. So once you have saved the demo, you could reuse it in other projects, in other modeling works. Now, the second process that I'd like to introduce you is to import other catalogs that was set up earlier, right? So assuming that you have multiple catalogs and you want to use this in other projects, so I would need to click on the second icon, which is add an existing catalog to the equipment catalog. So I will need to click on this, and I have already set up a catalog here. And what I need to do is just to double click it to bring it into the application, right? So as you can see, a fourth catalog has now been created at the bottom. And what I need to do to use these items is simply to drag and drop it back into the working area, right? So if I have already set up a crude heat exchanger from other projects, then to use this, I would just need to drag and drop it back into the folder here. So there you go. So this is the one that I have copied. And if I were to double click into the blocks, you could see that the equipment items and the associated failure modes are included in the model. I hope you will find this video useful. If you have any questions or would like to get in touch, please email digital@dmv.com. Thank you for watching.